siya. Because nag-expire yung quantitative restriction on importation of rice on June 30, 2017. Pag hindi tayo nag-liberalize, pe-penalize tayo ng World Trade Organization. But they don't want to liberalize unless a tariff on imported rice to protect the local farmers. Kaya yung tarification is a tariff on imported rice to protect the local farmers. At ang maganda dito, yung proceeds ng tariff, ibibigay ng gobyerno at i-advance nila, wala na munang sumahan, 10 billion a year for the next 6 years para maging competitive ating rice farmer. Kaya starting this 2019, may 10 billion a year na yung rice program na will go to mechanization, to production of inbred seeds, and then to provide credit and training to farmers, in addition to the 7 billion rice program from the Department of Agriculture.